Hi everyone, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how we make these easy 20-minute cheesecake bites. Stay tuned. So first things first, I will be using these brand of cookies. These are one of my favorite cookies. Use any cookies that you like. I went ahead and processed them in my food processor. I just chopped them very well until they were fine to my liking. And I'm going to add that to a bowl. And next we're going to add in a couple tablespoons of unsalted buttercream. This will help clump up your cookie mix just a little bit, okay? And also my oven is preheated on 350. Once I have that at the consistency that I like, I will be putting these cupcake liners in my muffin pan. So this makes about 10, but I went ahead and only made 6, okay? So you can use the extra for something else, another dessert. You can save it or you can make more. So I'm going to add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of the cookie mix to each cupcake liner. We're going to mash the cookie mix down now, okay? So we're going to bake that for about 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye out on it. In a bowl, we're going to go ahead and get started on our cheesecake batter. So here I have some cream cheese, which is softened. I'm going to add in my chilled heavy cream. And that is the key, is to use heavy cream. To flavor this up, we're going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract. And then I will be going in with some powdered sugar. Once that is in, we're going to mix this very well with our mixer until everything is fully incorporated and fluffy. Just going back in after I let it sit for about 1 minute to create that fluffiness, as you can see. Okay, so once that is done, taste it to your liking. Make sure it's good, nice and sweet. So now that that has the perfect consistency, we're going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I usually use an ice cream scooper like so. And we're going to go ahead and place the cheesecake batter on top of that cookie once the cookie cools. After you take the cookie mixture out of the oven, you want to make sure it sits for a couple minutes so it can cool down before you apply the cheesecake batter to your pan. And to help ensure everything is flat and even, you want to give this a slight shake towards the end. Look how beautiful and silky that cheesecake mixture looks. It's so beautiful. I love it. And this helps me because we love to have portion control. So instead of eating 3 slices of cheesecake, yes, 3 slices, we're going to go ahead and just take a couple bites of these perfectly made and quick and easy 20-minute cheesecake bites. And it's perfect. We're good to go. We're satisfied. We're going to chill this in the freezer for about 20 minutes. You can cover it with plastic wrap if needed. And you can leave it in there longer as well if you need to, but really about 20 minutes and you're done. So while that is in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and start on our topping. I will be using the signature cherries. These are so cute. This is just a 10-ounce jar. We're going to place that in a preheated pan. Now I went ahead and took off the stems of the cherry, so make sure you do that. You can leave some on for, picture purposes, but I went ahead and took all of them off. So I'm going to bring this to a light boil. Once it is turning to a light boil, we're going to add in some granulated sugar. Now I give that a quick whisk and let that come back to a boil. So we will be boiling this cherry glaze for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, so once it comes to a boil very well, okay, we're going to take it off the stove and let it chill and thicken up. The perfect consistency. Once you see it bubbling like that, that's exactly what you want. So like I said, take it off the stove, let it cool for a while. Okay, so after about 20 minutes, our sauce is cooled, our cheesecake bites have formed. They're perfect. You guys, this is so perfect for a night, even Valentine's Day. You could do it with your family, you could do it with friends, have your girls' night, or just a romantic date night. These work perfectly. These, like I said, is the perfect size and it's easy to make. So after that, I'm just taking the cheesecake bites out of the cupcake liners. Now it's time for the plating. We're just going to add that cherry glaze on top, a little bit of whipped cream, and you can add fruit to this. You can make it with ice cream. Do your thing, okay? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.